Welcome back to my channel Wonder Life, and this is Raghav here for you. This video is about interesting facts on Indian Railways. For me, Indian Railways is the most fascinating thing from my childhood. I'm a biggest fan of Indian Railways. So thought, why don't I collect some interesting facts, put up a small video for you. Hope you like it. Before we move on, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon to get notified when my next video comes out. Let's go and watch. Let's begin with India's longest running train. Vivek Express, which starts from Kanyakumari in the southernmost tip of India, Tamil Nadu, and goes up to Dibrugarh town in Assam, is the longest running train, which takes over 75 hours, covering a total distance of 4,189 kilometers, crisscrossing 9 states of India with 59 stoppages. This train starts around 5:30 pm from Kanyakumari and reaches Dibrugarh on the 4th day evening 8:30 pm. The ticket costs are somewhere around 745 rupees for a second sitting, and it goes all the way up to 4,450 for a second AC. India's longest rail-cum-road bridge, the Bogibeel Bridge. This bridge in the state of Assam spans over 4.94 kilometers across the river Brahmaputra. This bridge is also Asia's second longest rail-cum-road bridge. It is the first bridge in India that can withstand earthquakes of magnitudes up to 7 on Richter scale. This bridge has a double rail line on the lower deck and a 3-lane road on the upper deck. Now that we have seen the longest rail-cum-road bridge in India, the next is the longest rail-only bridge in India, and that is Vembanad Rail Bridge in Kerala. This bridge, with a total length of 4.6 kilometers, was built only for freight traffic. Yes, no passenger trains are allowed over this bridge. From what I learned, this bridge is currently defunct. If anyone has the latest status on this, please comment in the comment section and I'll update this video. Let's jump to fast mode, the Gatiman Express, India's fastest train. This train runs between Delhi and Agra with a top speed of 160 km per hour. Though some might argue Vande Bharat or Train 18 as the fastest train. Yes, Vande Bharat can travel up to 180 km per hour, but this train is currently running only at 130 km per hour due to speed restrictions. So I feel Gatiman Express is the fastest train in India with a top speed of 160 km per hour. We saw a train running at 160 km per hour. This train runs at 10 km per hour and touted as the slowest train in India, the Nilgiri Mountain Trail, constructed in the year 1908. It uses a unique rack and pinion system to cover the steep gradient. It runs between Mettupalayam and the Ooty, the Queen of Hills. It is also part of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites Mountain Railways of India. Now, the longest railway platform in India, or should I say the longest platform in the world? Yes, the platform 1 in Hubballi station is the longest railway platform in the world with a total length of 1,505 meters, roughly 1.5 kilometers. Any Indian train has at most 24 coaches, and say the latest coach length being 24.7 meters, a train can measure 600 meters in length overall, which means this platform can easily accommodate 2 full trains. Imagine somebody walking from one end of the platform to the other and then coming back. This morning walk is done. Wow, it's so long. India's largest railway station is Howrah. This station, with 23 platforms and 25 tracks, is the biggest in the Indian Railways network. The station handles over a million passengers, and imagine there are 600 plus trains that go in and out of the station every day. It's one of the most busiest stations in India. Should I say in the world? Not sure. How many states can be covered by a single train? Any idea? It's 13 states. The Navyug Express, running between Mangalore in Karnataka to Vaishno Devi in Khatra, covers 13 states. It starts from the state of Karnataka, passes through Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, and Jammu and Kashmir. It is the only train that covers more number of states than any other train in Indian network. We all know Nagpur is centrally located in India and is one of the major junctions in Indian railway network. What you see here is a very unique railway crossing. Two set of tracks running perpendicular to each other, and it is called as diamond crossing, which you will never find anywhere in Indian network. A very different one. The arch bridge that you see here, when constructed fully, will be the world's tallest railway bridge ever built. This bridge is being built over River Chenab at a height of about 1178 feet high. When completed, it will be taller than the Eiffel Tower. It can withstand temperatures below -20 degrees Celsius, and it can also withstand wind speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. I'll come back soon with much more interesting facts. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Until next video, it's bye from Raghav.